There's a chance that it's too loud here. There's a chance that it's too loud. Oi! Stop running around. Oi! Nathan, huwag kayo maingay. Huwag kayo maingay. It's loud now. There's a lot of kids here. Oi! No fighting. No fighting. It's okay. No shouting, ha? Are you still in Angeles? No, I'm not in Angeles. I'm in province right now. Hot. Sorry. So hot. Yana, quiet. Quiet. Don't shout. I'm sweaty.
Guys, hindi kayo makalive mga call. Hindi ka ni Ate. Wi-Fi mo. Ito makikinig ka.
Hindi ate?
Oo, may Wi-Fi.
Kaso nag-start na ako. Naka-start na ako. Wag. Hello. Hello, Samuel Martin. Lots of kids here, so. And it's my niece's birthday today. That's why there's a lot of kids here now. They are preparing food. Preparing food for the birthday. For the birthday girls.
Isang na magpagkaroon to sa God.
Hello, John Smith. Ayun, papuntahin mo. Go to AA. Justin, go to AA, Justin.
Ken! Ito ka mo kay AA, Ken!
Go to AA. Dali, they're going to AA. Justin, your sleeper. Go to AA, dali.
Ha?
Nathan, go to AA. Si ano pa? Hello, everybody. Oh, punta kayo kay AA. Kenji, dalhin nyo dun.
Sleeper?
Hot.
Sleeper?
Hello. Hello, Dot. Hello, Harry. Hot. Hi, Lily. Good afternoon. I'm doing good. There's a birthday party today. That's why we are busy preparing food. Yeah, that's good. You go there to AA. Si Kenji, padalhin niyo ito. Ah, okay. Yeah. Stay young, fantastic, and much love. Thank you so much. Chat. How are you doing, guys? They are making lumpia. My name is Robert. I'm from Jamaica. Where are you from? I'm from Philippines. Sparrow Cat. Robert. From Philippines. Hi.